Yo, how is it going everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video I'll show you how to install Kali Linux on Windows 10. This video got 360k views and is one of the most successful videos in this channel. That video is a little bit old now and I decided to update it with another video. So let me show you what we are doing in this video. There are two ways to install Kali Linux. One is by using a disk, but this will require to delete all data on PC. But there is another way by using virtual machine. This will allow you to use both Windows and Kali Linux inside of the same PC. A virtual machine is a computer inside of a computer, and the fun part about it is that you can do anything to it, even break it, and nothing will happen to your computer. If you want to get into IT or programming, you need to learn virtual machines now. Make sure to follow everything step by step. So let's get started and continue with the first step, which is downloading VirtualBox. And to do that, open your favorite browser and we are going to search for VirtualBox. Search for it and click on the first search result that shows up, or you can find the link of this website in the video description. So here we have VirtualBox official website, and here you have some information about VirtualBox, and if you scroll down you will see a download VirtualBox 7.0, which is the latest version of VirtualBox. Click on this download VirtualBox and as you can see it will show another page, which is the downloads page. Here you will find links to VirtualBox binaries and its source code. Here you will find some different versions of VirtualBox, but the one we need is the Windows host. Click on it, and if you click on it, as you can see, the file will start downloading. Wait for it to download and then we are going to continue with the installation. So after the file has been downloaded, the next step is to install VirtualBox on our Windows 10 computer. And to do that, click on the file, and after clicking on the file, another window will pop up. Is the setup window to install VirtualBox. And to do that, to install VirtualBox on our computer, we have to click on next, and then you are going to click on next again. And as you can see, it says a warning, network interfaces. Ignore this warning and proceed with installation by clicking on yes. Click on yes again and click on install, and the file will start installing. Now click on finish and installing VirtualBox has been completed. So here we are on VirtualBox, and now we are going to continue with the other step, which is downloading Kali Linux. And to do that, open a new tab and search for Kali Linux. Go to kali.org. You will find the link of this website again in the video description. So here we are at Kali Linux official website, and as you can see, this Kali Linux version is the most advanced penetration test in distribution. So here you will find the latest Kali Linux version, and you will find some information about Kali Linux, the tools that you can download on it, and where you can use Kali Linux. As you can see, you can use it on any device. So to download Kali Linux, click on this download button and it will take you to another page, and we are going to choose where we want to download Kali Linux. So we already installed the VirtualBox, which is a virtual machine, and we are going to click on virtual machines. Make sure we have selected 64-bit version, and here we have different types of virtual machines: VMware, VirtualBox, Hyper-V, and the one that we downloaded is VirtualBox. So we want to download the VirtualBox version of Kali Linux, which is 2.9 gigabytes, and to do so, click on this download icon, and as you can see, the download Kali Linux has already started. We are going to wait for Kali Linux to download, and then we are going to proceed with the installation. So now, after the Kali Linux file has been downloaded, go to the folder where we are storing this file. I have WinRAR downloaded. because we need this to extract the file, the Kali Linux folder, to the desktop. So we need to extract this file. But if you don't have WinRAR, you can use 7-zip. Go to your browser and search for 7-zip. Go to 7zip.org and download the 64-bit version. I will leave the link of this website in the video description. And click on the file and click on install. After this has been installed, go again to the folder where Kali Linux file was downloaded. Right click on it and you will find an open with button. Click on open with button, and if you don't find the WinRAR app, click on more apps and click on look for another app on PC. Go to 7-zip, so right click on the file, click on open with, and you will see 7-zip file manager. You can use this or you can use WinRAR. So right click on the file, click on open with, and click 7-zip file manager. I'm using 7-zip file manager because not everyone will have WinRAR downloaded. So make sure you select the file by left clicking on it and click on extract. Copy to, we need to copy it to desktop. So click on the 3 dots and select desktop. Click on OK and OK. So this will start extracting the file. So now go to desktop, and as you can see, Kali Linux has been extracted to desktop. Is this folder here. So we have 2 files, but first let me show you how you can do that with WinRAR 2. Just open the file normally if you have WinRAR and select the file and extract to desktop and click on OK. This is how you can extract it using WinRAR. So we extracted it using 7-zip. So go to the inside the folder, and here you will find 2 files. So let me open VirtualBox on the side. As you can see, here we are on VirtualBox. So inside the folder we will have 2 files. So what we are going to do is double click on the blue file, and as you can see, it will import it to the VirtualBox. So make sure you have selected Kali Linux virtual machine and click on machine and go to settings. We have the system settings. As you can see, this is the base memory, and I suggest you to increase it to 4 gigabytes. And as you can see, the processor is at its maximum capacity, so I will leave this as default and display as default. So we need to go to storage. If you go to storage, as you can see, controller SATA is this second file, and if you don't have this file, which is automatically imported, what you need to do is click on this disk image and click on choose a disk file, and you will select this file here if you don't have it auto imported. We need to save the changes, click on OK, and now we are going to start our virtual machine. Make sure you select it and click on start, and we'll start powering up the virtual machine. So here is the startup. After the Kali Linux has been started, here we have a login window, and the username is Kali and the password is Kali2. So use Kali for both and click on login. And to make the screen bigger, go to view and click on full screen mode. Click on switch, and as you can see, this will enable full screen mode, and you will be able to see the Kali Linux virtual machine display in full view. So to disable this, just scroll down, and as you can see, you will find this window. So we are on full screen mode now. So what we are going to do here, which is the main purpose of Kali Linux, we are going to open the terminal and we are going to type some few lines of command. And also, if you open the menu, here you will find some other tools that you can use. Even the most known tools, you can use them. So the quieter you become, the more you are able to hear. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a comment, like this video, and also don't forget to subscribe so you can catch us on the next video. Peace out.